Welcome back, dear students, to yet another interview of a FET 2023 topper. We have got with us the very talented Dr. Vijeta, who has got rank 8th in this exam. Many congratulations for this wonderful rank, Dr. Vijeta. And also, she's a fresher. So many congratulations on this double achievement of yours. Let's share with you your story. Let's start with where you did your UG and PG from, and then let's go to the preparation. How was your preparation? Dr. Vijeta.
Thank you, ma'am, for the congratulations. So I did my UG from Maulana Azad Medical College and PG from Maulana Azad Medical College. And right now I'm doing SRC from AIIMS Delhi.
Oh, wonderful.
So I started my preparation, like I started using the app in my third year. So third year of my PG, I used to, at the last of my PG third year, I have all the notes, Repronet notes.
One second. You know what? One second. You are holding your phone, no?
Yes,
it is shaking,
okay,
very shaky, very shaky. You keep it somewhere here. Because throughout the interview, it will keep shaking and then later we'll...
Okay.
You keep it at a height somewhere if possible.
At a height? Okay.
Yes, because it will look like you're... You take time, adjust.
Okay.
This is okay. This is good. This is looking casual, nice.
Yeah, this is fine.
This is good.
Okay.
You can sit more straight.
Okay.
Not too far. Come a little closer.
Okay. Fine.
This is perfect. Yes.
Okay.
So we'll start with the interview. Welcome back, dear students. Today's guest for the interview is Dr. Vijeta, who has got rank 8 in FET 2023. Many congratulations for this wonderful rank. And also, Dr. Vijeta is a fresher. This was her first attempt and she's got such a fabulous rank. Many congratulations for this, Dr. Vijeta.
Thank you, ma'am. I did my UG from...
That's the question I wanted to ask. Introduce yourself. Where have you done your UG and PG from? And then let's hear your story of how did you start preparing for it.
So I did my UG from Maulana Azad Medical College and PG from Maulana Azad Medical College only. And I started the preparation from third year of my PG. Like I listen to your videos, lecture, and make my notes. So I have all the...
Third year.
Yeah, third year PG.
All right. So you joined Repronet in your third year only?
Yes.
Okay. So which year was it? Which year did you finish your post-graduation?
Post-graduation 2023, July.
Okay, 2023 July. So before that, you had taken the class, you had started listening to the videos and making your own notes. So you were telling about your notes. You would prepare your own notes?
No, I listen to the videos and make the notes from Repronet. And then I read the guidelines, which was from that guideline, like thyroid guideline. And then I add some points on it so that everything is that note only. I don't have to read so much thing in the end of the...
Okay. So you had a plan that you have to do super specialization from your third year itself, and you started preparing accordingly before your final exams. And you believe that's the reason why you cracked in the first attempt, right?
Yes, completely. Because if I don't have any notes, I don't have any base to study in November, December, then there is so much stuff, like so much books. I can read at one go in 1 month, all the books and the material.
Yes. So which year did you exactly, like 2023, when was your final exam, the university exam?
Final exam was in June, I guess. June.
Was in June. And when did you join Repronet before that?
January I joined.
January 2023, you joined Repronet and you started preparing for your final exams.
Yeah, because it helped me to study for the final exam also.
So you did your final exam preparation from Repronet app. Yeah,
it was very good. It was like I have only one notes and I have to study from that and revise
Because
Uh,
if you have to prepare for the final exam for gynecology, you have a different textbook. For obs, you have different. For oncology, you have different. For endocrinology, you have different. So Reproneat is one place where you'll find everything for your exam. You don't have to open 10 books on your bed and read them one by one. That's
yes,
nice. So you prepare. This is the way I want students to prepare. You start preparing before your final exams so that you don't mug books that are not important. You don't memorize or do rectification of those books which are not important for MCQs. So once you start preparing before your final exams, it becomes very easy. Like you have already prepared. After your final exam, you just have to revise. Now tell me, in your third year, how much time would you spend studying
like
from
third year,
January 2023?
like third year, I used to watch like 2 videos in a day and make notes. Like it will take very much time, like 3 hours to make. Listening to the videos and making notes is very like time consuming. So,
Okay, so
matlab, you
three
can,
hours for 2 videos.
yeah, 2 videos in a day, and in Sundays 3 videos. Like topic wise, I used to
So
watch videos.
you would watch the videos at 2x, or what speed would you watch it at?
No, I because with the no making note now simultaneously, it will take time. So I have to watch on the same speed only.
Oh, the same normal speed, which is there, 1x.
Uh,
Wonderful.
note, then I'll watch at 2x. But
Okay,
in the revision, like in November,
the
December, I'll watch
revision.
2x speed and then simultaneously see my notes. But
Okay,
during making notes and then watching, it will take time.
it'll take time. So you made your own notes. Wonderful. So you, for the university exam preparation, theory exam preparation, what was your source? How did you
My
prepare for the?
like guidelines, I used to matlab, see the RCOG guidelines and the ACOG guidelines. Mainly focused on that, and simultaneously in Williams, matlab, if the topic is missing, like some points are missing, then I will see the William. I will open the Williams book. So main is that I will first read the guidelines.
All right. So did the Reproneat app help you in your university exam? Like, were those
Yeah,
notes helpful?
the notes were very useful. Like it helped me to save a lot of time and lot of stress, because university exam I don't have to read many things. I just have to go to the notes and then revise, and notes has very extensive notes are very extensive, and it will help. Matlab, it is the main source of my notes, and then some guidelines I added to the notes only. I didn't
Oh,
make any new notes because it will be like 2 notes together. So I just make one note from Rapronet, which I listen the videos and then add some point to that only.
okay. So Reproneat app helped you prepare for the university exams, because I believe I have given everything point wise. If you write those in your answers, you'll get very good scores. That
Yeah,
is
matlab, we can answer it like 2 to 3 page answer. We can write from notes only.
You can write
Matlab,
from there. Everything, every
yeah,
topic is nicely covered. The theory part is also nicely covered.
yeah.
And then if
Theory
you have memorized that to be able to write theory, I believe it becomes so easy to answer MCQs after that. It's just a
yes.
revision. So
The repetition topic is in the MCQ also. Like in theory, you have
yes,
to read. If same strategy is followed, then it will be easy to remember.
it will be easy. And that is how you can crack in the first attempt. So after your after the final exams, where did you join?
I joined SRship in AIMS Delhi. Matlab, the AIMS
Okay.
entrance exam, I think Repronet only helped me to give
Okay.
that exam.
You took the SRship exam and you cracked it. All right. And it depends a lot on your theory performance, the test performance. Interviews are departmental assessment are important, but the theory marks are very important
And
for
it helped me
SRship exams also. Yes.
also. The concept were same because there is repetition of the same concept also only.
All right.
So it helped me in the practicals also.
Wonderful. So your life was eased out, I believe. You were introduced early on to Reproneat learning. You prepared for your university exam. You cracked the AIMS SRship exam. Your practicals were all right. So you had an easy life because of Reproneat learning, because you were following it nicely, diligently. Wonderful. How much? So you joined AIMS SRship in which month?
In July, I cracked the exam. September,
October, you joined. September, October. So you were working all this while?
yeah, I was working all this
You
while.
were working in AIMS, and since you had started preparing from January 2023, you did not have to take leave and sit for the exam, which is a
No,
good
no,
point.
no.
So in
I mean,
all,
I
you need some time, and someone who's just started to prepare, like other students had started to prepare in October and they had to sit and prepare. But you had a solid base. You had started preparing from January 2023. You were working all through. You were in MAMC and then you were in AIMS and you cracked it in first exam. So this is, this is the definition of success. You started, you were very focused from January. Your university exam was a piece of cake. Your practicals were easy. Your SRship entrance exam was easy. You were working in AIMS, which is itself, an achievement to have to do SRship in AIMS. And then you crack a super specialty exam and you get such a wonderful rank. So many, many congratulations on this achievement. So 2023 and 24 have been very good years for you, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. It's very.
And you have degrees from MAMC, so you have a very good profile so far now.
Yes, ma'am.
For
Like very easy Repronit app, because I watched Suvidya ma'am interview. She also joined in third year, I guess. Final year she joined Repronit, and she the clinical rounds were very easy with this, because we think there we see in the clinics, and then I go to your notes and then I revise things. It will be very easy.
Yes, wonderful. So this is the kind of student that I want to prepare at Repronit Learning. Start following from the beginning, have your basics cleared, and do not take off from work. Do it with your work and then crack the exam in the first go. So it is very nice. I'm very impressed with your performance and with your way of preparation, Dr. Vijeta. It's really nice to have known you. Now tell me, what tip would you want to give to the next batch?
Like the thing is, you have to stay focused from the final year only. Don't do the studies differently for final year exam and the FET exam, because they two are like interconnected. The topic is same. So if you are preparing differently for the final year exam and then prepare differently for the FET exam, then it will be like
time consuming. It takes double the time.
Yeah, it will take, because it will if you have notes in your hand at the end of the final year exam, then it will be just a revision to do in 2 months, and it will be, the exam will be very easy for you, because you have already studied that, and final year may you have to study all these things only.
The same things you have to read. If you compare them, the level is same. They always, NEET SSFET people keep telling you that it is the exact exam level MCQs that you're going to get. So
Yes.
wonderful. Dr. Vijeta's life has been sorted out for the last 1 year, and she's also sorting it out for you, that you start preparing right from your final year of post-graduation, and that is how you will crack it with ease, without any stress. It was so nice talking with you, Dr. Vijeta. We'll definitely stay in touch. You have to answer my messages from now on.
Yes. And wanted to mention, I did this strategy with my friend. So we used to, she has already taken the.
I know this very well, that students who have prepared equally well or even better might not fare as well in the exam. A lot of factors are there. It is multifactorial. I know your friend. I know that she must have prepared equally good or better than you, but she hasn't got a rank. That happens. It happened with me in all the exams. I would always be stressed. So she's got a good rank also, and I'm hoping that she'll get a good place. She didn't get a very good rank like yours, but she will do well.
Yes, ma'am.
It doesn't matter. The rank doesn't matter. The rank is one day. You do it from any place.
Just a luck base.
Some people, it is
level, and the all factor will be contributed.
It's luck, and it's during the exam how you perform.
Yeah.
Silly mistakes happen. Some people make more silly mistakes. Some people make few silly mistakes. This doesn't label them as more intelligent or less intelligent or more diligent and less diligent. She has worked equally well. Right. Yes. So I do believe that. And one more thing is that one exam doesn't decide your future. How hardworking you are, how diligent you are, doesn't change from one result. She's she's a hardworking student. She's a hardworking girl. She'll be doing that all through her life. So there is no stopping. It is not a hurdle in your pathway. It is going to, your hard work is going to give you results. So let's not worry for her. She'll get a very good rank. I know her personally. I know you all very nicely, especially the rank holders and all those people who've been reading. So I do understand it. Right. So nice that you mentioned about her. There are going to be two kinds of result for the same preparation for two students.
Yes.
Wonderful. Anything else, anyone else that you would want to thank?
Like Minnal, she is throughout the journey, she helped me a lot because
I didn't want to mention the name because I did not know if she would, probably she would mind or whatever. But anyway, you have taken her name, so yes. Lots of love to Meedal from both of us.
yes, she helped me a lot. Like because the my engagement is on the same day of my exam, so it was
Oh,
very hectic journey for that.
you're such a good student. Your engagement is on that day. A lot of girls tell me, message me that this year I'm not preparing because I'm busy with my engagement, with my wedding. So you had your engagement also 2023 and 24 have been the best years for you. You should have good, the rest of your life should be good like this only. So many congratulations on the engagement, same day engagement. That must have been a very lucky day for you. Mark that date. You got engaged and you gave a wonderful exam. So many congratulations on your engagement also. So it's nice that with your engagement, with all the preparation, the clothes to buy, the makeup to do, it was the same day in the evening.
Yeah, in the evening, like it's from 12 o'clock, so I have to just rush to my engagement, and in the center, I told,
Maybe,
please,
maybe that's the reason why you performed so well because you were not stressed. You were thinking about the engagement all the while
yeah,
and you just
I,
marked the answers. Yes, I know this answer. Yes, I know this answer. You were not stressed. That engagement took that stress off your head and you were able to perform your best. Isn't
yes,
it? And
maybe,
Meenal did not have an engagement on the same day, so she was stressed. She was focusing on only on the exam. You have to take the exam lightly. If you have
yeah,
read,
matlab,
read, that's a tip
not,
to take. If you've finished all the contents, the exam is going to be easy and you are going to crack it. So go with that belief. If you've finished
yes,
reading, you will crack. You will crack. Right. So
mm,
that's the reason I know everybody. This is also a tip. Have your engagement or your wedding on the day of exam. That takes the stress off your head because your stress is somewhere else now. You're
yeah.
stressed about the engagement.
I have to give the exam and then come back. So I don't have
Yes.
any. I'm not focused for last 2 days for the exam. Just the exam will finish, and I just hoping
That
that
that's
exam.
that's that worked in your favor. I keep
Yeah,
telling you, last few days, don't read much, don't stress out, go to sleep. So that worked in your favor. Wonderful.
yeah. Stress is not there. My mind is free, so I just did the exam and then came back.
Wonderful.